What you're about to witness is not the construction of a house, but the forging of a new way of life hidden from the modern world. A secret dream rising from the earth itself. Every beam raised by hand is a testament to a forgotten strength. But as the frame takes shape, an astonishing transformation begins. The collective effort gives way to a single, determined vision. Together, they harness the power of unity, raising the bones of a sanctuary. Precision and teamwork are all that matter in this remote landscape. As the structure grows, so does the ambition of the project. A milestone is reached, a skeleton of wood against the sky. The focus shifts to the roof, the shelter that will protect the dream within. The community stands back, observing the culmination of their shared labor. Final details are attended to, each one a mark of their dedication. The collaborative effort is a powerful display of shared purpose. With the frame complete, the land itself begins to offer its resources. As daylight fades, essential materials arrive, signaling a new phase. The earth is brought to the doorstep of the new home. The raw materials are prepared, ready to be transformed. The crew rests as twilight descends upon their creation. A monumental stage is complete, but the true work is about to begin. And then, the story shifts, a lone builder emerges. Her mission, to breathe life and soul into this empty wooden shell. With unwavering resolve, she ascends the structure, ready to make it her own. The first panel of the roof is laid, a shield against the elements. Each piece is chosen with care, a deliberate act of creation. Under the harsh sun, she meticulously secures her home's defense. Her focus is absolute, a silent dialogue between builder and material. The structure is no longer a community project, but a personal testament. She wrestles with the unwieldy materials, a challenge against gravity and will. A moment of rest, surveying the progress of her tireless efforts. The work continues, one panel at a time, a mosaic of resilience. Slowly, the roof becomes a seamless shield of red. This is more than construction, it's an intimate act of creation. The final sections are carefully placed. Her silhouette against the sky, a symbol of independence. The shelter is almost complete, a crown upon the wooden frame. Every piece locked into place holds the promise of a future within. The final sheet is installed, sealing the sanctuary. The painstaking task of roofing is nearing its end. And there it stands, a home, born of wool and wood, under her watchful and satisfied gaze. With the exterior protected, the focus turns inward. The surrounding wilderness presents its own set of challenges. Inside, raw timber awaits its transformation. With skilled hands, she begins to craft the home's inner details. The foundation for the interior walls is meticulously laid. She turns to the delicate work of crafting a window frame. The frame is fitted, an opening that will soon welcome the light. Every small adjustment is a step toward perfection. Preparing the wood, ensuring every piece will fit seamlessly. The intricate assembly of the door begins. Now, the walls start to rise, enclosing the space. The once open frame is slowly becoming a series of rooms. Her work is a dance of measurement and assembly. Panel by panel, the interior world of the home takes shape. The structure is no longer just a shell, it is becoming a dwelling. The final walls are erected, defining the living space. A nearly completed home, standing as a testament to her singular vision. With the walls in place, a new chapter of craftsmanship begins. She smooths every surface, preparing the wood for its final form. The plans for a custom-built door are carefully laid out. Each nail drives home the reality of her accomplishment. Intricate details are added, transforming simple wood into functional art. The moment of truth, the hand-built door is installed. A perfect fit, a gateway to the sanctuary she has built. Now, for the heart of the home, a hearth made of earth and fire. An ancient craft takes shape as she lays the foundation for a brick oven. The work is heavy, but her determination is heavier. The floor must be prepared, a solid base for the life to be lived here. The cement is smooth, a canvas for the final layer. She begins laying the tile, piece by piece. The floor becomes a tapestry of terracotta and mortar. Simultaneously, the oven rises, brick by brick. She seals the joints, ensuring the hearth will be strong and enduring. Metal supports are placed, the internal skeleton of the oven. The final bricks are laid, enclosing the cooking chamber. Cleaning the excess, she reveals the beauty of her handiwork. The hearth is complete, a symbol of warmth and sustenance. The masonry continues, a work of both strength and artistry. Each brick is set with precision, guided by a steady hand. The structure grows, a testament to her patience. Her movements are efficient, born of practice and dedication. The mortar is applied, the binding agent of her creation. Replenishing her supplies, the tireless work continues. The oven's form becomes more defined, a monument within the home. The inner chamber is crafted to hold and radiate heat. A stone slab is set in place, the surface for baking and cooking. The metallic grit is integrated into the brickwork. Layer by layer, the final stages of the oven are completed. Her focus never wavers as she perfects the structure. The hearth, the soul of the home, is almost ready. With the interior complete, the vision expands beyond the walls. The time has come to shape the land itself. Every detail of this homestead is being forged by hand. The work is far from over. The earth must now embrace the home. This is a holistic creation, blending structure and nature. The builder's energy seems boundless, her spirit tireless. From the grandest beam to the smallest stone, everything has a purpose. The next phase requires a different kind of material. A path is being prepared, a walkway to the front door. This isn't just a path, but a welcome. The raw power of construction gives way to the art of landscaping. Now, a new kind of foundation is laid. One that will support not walls, but life itself. The final stage begins, transforming the raw earth into a garden. She lays a brick border, defining the space for new life to grow. This is an act of nurturing, of putting down roots in the deepest sense. The home is no longer just a structure, but part of a living ecosystem. The builder transforms into a gardener, her work shifting from construction to cultivation. She carefully plants the first shoots in the fertile ground. A vibrant garden begins to emerge from the red soil. Each plant is a splash of life against the earthy tones. The final creation, a homestead in perfect harmony with its surroundings. The garden thrives, a testament to the life she has cultivated here. From a hidden dream, or reality, from the earth, a home. A very special thank you to the owner of the Country Girl for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel ABC for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.